Is the camera ready yet?
Yeah, I'm just focusing.
So, what do you think of Bridgwater College?
I think it's brilliant. It's a new experience for me. As you can imagine, there's not a lot of places that provide education and facilities for my species.
You said facilities. What kind exactly?
You know those chairs that have the little circle in the back?
Yeah, I know them.
Well, they have those, especially for my tail. Oh, they're so much better than those other chairs.
Any others?
Oh, yeah. They have loads of space for me to run around in. Because, you know, raptor like me needs to keep fit.
Ready?
Yep, ready when you are. Wow, look at him go! Slow down. Slow down, Ryan. Slow down. Do you see yourself as just another person of, do you think?
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. I don't see myself differently to anybody else. If anything, I think I'm starting to fit in.
How do you feel about those people that might not appreciate your presence? How do you deal with that?
Ugh, they're easy.
Hey, these go back to where you came from.
Don't just stand there, turn that damn camera off and help me!
Gets them every time.
So you didn't actually hurt him?
Oh, no, no. I just scared him enough to leave me alone.
Okay, isn't that against college rules?
Well, you filmed it, didn't you?
Yeah, we did get it, yeah.
Anyway.
I'm supposed to be bringing a T-Rex next year. Nah, I don't see it either.